How to download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download all of your photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Photos and make sure you're logged into account. And if you have numerous images over here and you wish to download all of them from the Google Cloud, you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. Once you do so, you're going to click on Manage Your Google Account. And then you will be redirected to an interface like this. Next, you're going to click on Data and Privacy. Once you do so, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, keep on scrolling down till you find the option of Apps and Services. So over here, you're going to search for Google Photos. If you're not able to find Google Photos in this list, you're going to click on +1 over here, and you will be redirected to another interface. So you're going to click on Download Your Data, and you'll be taken over to Google Takeout page. So first of all, what you gotta do is if you wish to download the data of Google Photos only, so you're gonna select only that service. If you want to download data from other services as well, you can select them too. But here we gotta search for Google Photos. So scroll down until you find Google Photos. And here is Google Photos. So you're gonna simply check this box, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then click on Next Step. So here you're going to select Transfer To. So you're going to select the destination, click on Send Download Link via email, like how you wish to download. You want the link via email, you want the data to be downloaded to your Drive, to your Dropbox, to OneDrive, or to Box. So simply select that. So I'm going to select Send Download Link via email. So when I click on that link, and I'll be able to download. Then you're going to select the frequency, that how often you wish to download the data. So for example, I'm going to select export once. If you want the data to be downloaded every 2 months for 1 year, then you can select this. So I'm going to select export once, and then you're going to select the file type and size. So I'm going to let it be .zip because numerous devices support it easily. And then you're going to select the file size. So the greater the file size, the high quality the images are, the lower the file size, the pixels will drop a bit. And then you're going to click on Create Export. And after that, simply you'll be able to see export process. So your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. If you have a list of photos, like thousands of photos, then it might take quite a long time. But if you have very less amount of photos, then it will be very quick. And then after that, you'll receive that link via email. Simply click on that link, and you'll be able to download your photos and videos. So that's basically how you can download all photos and videos from Google Photos in one click. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.